Hi guys, my name is Aboobacar and welcome to another video. Today we will travel the world and make a mouth-watering chicken karahi Pakistani style. Karahi is a name of a pot used in Pakistan similar to a wok and is commonly used to make different curries. We will make this fantastic chicken karahi using a regular pan and it will be so delicious. For this delicious and fragrant chicken karahi, you will need the following spices: salt, cayenne powder, hot chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, black pepper, ginger paste or chopped ginger, garlic paste, turmeric powder, green chilies, fresh peeled and chopped medium tomatoes and natural yogurt. All the ingredients will be in the description below. I'm using 2 skinless small chickens. This chicken karahi recipe serves approximately 6 to 8 people. Grab a pan and preheat it, and then add vegetable oil or olive oil. Leave the heat in medium-high. Add your skinless chicken into the pan. Be careful, don't burn yourself. Because you are cooking, you are allowed to make a mess. Make sure you spread the chicken evenly. The boss and the supervisor are checking if I'm doing my job properly. When one side of the chicken starts to change color, you can turn it over. Keep checking your chicken to see if the color is changing. When most of the chicken pieces changed color, you can add 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix well and make sure the yogurt and the chicken are well combined. Now add 6 fresh peeled and chopped medium tomatoes and mix again. The tomatoes will dissolve and it will give a nice color and flavor to our dish. Add 5 green chilies. You can add less or more depending on how spicy you want your chicken karahi. Add salt to taste, and you can always try later on to see if you need more salt or not. Now this is when we'll mix and combine all the ingredients together. Cover your pan with a lid and leave it in medium-high heat for about 10 minutes. So that the tomatoes dissolve and the juices are released. Make sure everything is okay and all the ingredients are chilling along. Add garlic paste. Next is the ginger paste. If you do not have it like me, you can always grab fresh ginger and chop it in tiny pieces. Put into a mortar and pestle and smash it to a ginger paste. Now mix the ginger and the garlic well. When everything is well mixed, now it's time to add the spices that will boost the chicken karahi flavor. Let's start with the cumin powder, then add coriander powder, add garam masala, turmeric powder, black pepper, cayenne powder, and hot chili powder. Now combine all the ingredients. The most fantastic aroma will invade your kitchen. This is the point your house will awake and your housemates will start asking when the food will be ready because they cannot bear the delicious aroma that is floating around the house. Keep mixing. After 2 to 4 minutes, add the remaining 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix well. The yogurt will contribute to a richer sauce. You guys can see that the sauce is slowly drying, and that's exactly what we want. We want a thick and rich sauce. Grab some coriander and slightly chop it and put into the pan. Grab some chilies, cut them in half and add into the pan for garnish. This step is optional and it will add an extra heat. Mix everything. At this point the sauce starts to getting thicker. Add a little bit of fresh ginger, and this time you want them juliennes. Add them into the pan and we are done. Wow, look at this beautiful chicken karahi. You can always add your own style into the dish. You can see the richness of the sauce. You can serve it with roti, naan bread or rice. After you cook this dish, you will be your family hero. Everybody will love you. Now is the fun part. Let's try it. I'm gonna take a little bit of meat with some rice. Wow guys, this is really delicious. Spicy, you can feel the ginger, the garlic, all the combination of the spices that we done. Wow, really nice. Let me try another bite. It's really nice guys. You have to try this dish, you have to make it. Everybody will love you if you do this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell and smash the like button. I'll see you on the next video.